Day 105. Headed, I don't really know. I kind of know. I need to do a kind of a big day. I know that's every day. But the last 2 days, did almost 39, 38 something the last 2 days together. So I'm a little tired, but I need to get to I need to have about 17 miles, but I need to do it by 5 to kind of set things up. I don't know. It's been pretty cruisy already this morning, and I think it might be the rest of the way, so I have a shot. Alright, came up on this. Not as big as that other timber rattler, but pretty big. I spotted him before he started to rattle, so good on me. But it's a waiting game. I don't really have anywhere I can go to get around him. Come on, buddy. He's going. Man, I hate those. This is the Birch Run Shelter, right off trail. I like that. It's about, I don't know, I've gone like 7 miles, maybe 7.5 tops. But I think I can get some water here. And I need to dig out some snacks. I've already eaten all my snacks. Came out on a little gravel road of some kind. It's about 12:40. Done 10 miles. It's a good lunch spot. Cheese. Yeah. So long. So long, you dumb rattlesnakes. So one cool part today is mile 1100. I do know I'm grabbing miles in chunks now. So far, southern Pennsylvania's favorable conditions, trail-wise, and I feel good. I feel strong. Today, it's real hot and humid. Trail isn't very hard. I feel like I could go 30 miles. I feel great. Okay, I believe this is Tom's Run Shelter or something. Yeah, this is it. It's a cool fireplace. I don't really need anything here, but I'm gonna take a break. Somebody's out here chopping wood. A pretty famous sign. All the little halfway mark places from between Harper's Ferry and here, because the trail changes. There it is, 1090.5 and 1090.5. Although that's still a little underneath. It's not exactly right. The trail is, but this is the coolest sign. How's it going? Good. Yeah. I think I'm less than a mile away. Passed a couple of pretty cool cabins. This is another one. I hear a main road, so I've got to be very close. Here it is, Pine Grove Furnace General Store. It's where I'm headed. I'll stay somewhere around here somewhere. This is the place with the ice cream challenge for people that have made it to the halfway mark. So I'll definitely get an ice cream. Maybe the challenge a little different. Hey, how have you been?
I'm better. How are you doing?
Good. I'm glad you got my French fries ready for me. I'm starving.
You want some of them?
How's the half-gallon challenge going?
So good. I'm really happy to be here. I made a great decision by doing this.
I love sarcasm. It's my favorite.
I wouldn't trade this opportunity for the world.
So that was a real good burger and fries and drinks. So that's nice. And that's the place where you do the half-gallon ice cream challenge. I did not do that because you don't have to.
Watched a friend puke.
Yeah, one of the guys puked. That happens a lot. The young people, they think it's a good idea. And at the end they go, that's a terrible idea. What do you mean we didn't really have to do it? I had a real nice chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwich at the end. And, you know, that's the way to go. With age comes wisdom. This is the Appalachian Trail Museum. We're going to camp here at the state park. And we may come over here. I don't know when time they open. They're closed now. It's like 6 o'clock or something, or 5:30. Too hard to camp in the park, so we're headed out. Less than a mile, there's supposed to be some campgrounds. Should never be too hard to camp at the campground. Well, I found us a real stealthy site. Trail is right there. There's nobody around. We're the only people on the planet. That's going to be me in a minute when I set up my tent. People have camped here though. Village chart's going to be over there. So she's with me so she won't get murdered. To her family, you're welcome. See y'all tomorrow.